Welcome back to Razor TV, my dear patrons on Patreon. Today I'm going to give you a very good exercise what to do with your offhand. I have a card and I'm in this position. You see, this is a horizontal guard. With a card, I said you can hold it this, you can hold it this way. There are different edge up, but I just do it in horizontal this way. The point is not here, is this. You see that? So it is, imagine this point, there is a line to my nose, so it's not like that, it is like this. You see, this hand is close here. Now I'm going to give you some exercises. You defend, imagine there is a card coming, you defend the wrist here, and then you thrust without snapping. You see? So you can get used to it. You keep the guard, the hand, the weapon hand comes, you defend the wrist, you stab. Right? Once you get used to it, right, you can defend. Right, left, go forward. Defend. Right, left, you go forward. Defend. Right, left, you go forward. Defend. Right, left, you go forward. You keep this like holding a bridge. It's a fraction of a second, but you keep it. And also now you can do it something else. That when he attacks, I come back, defend. Okay, go forward. Defend. You go forward. So 3 varieties. I show it to you from front. I don't move. Defend, trust. Defend, trust. Defend, trust. Second, defend, right, left. Defend, right, left. Right. Defend, right, left. Right. Third variety. Come back, defend. Stretch and launch forward. Come back, defend. Launch forward. So I'm here, right? I show you. Defend, trust. Defend, trust. Defend, trust. Now look. Now, what I do, go back, defend, launch. Come back, defend, launch. Come back, defend, launch. Sorry, I forgot the second one. So, the second one was defend, right, left. Defend, right, left. Defend, back. You see? So you get used to these 3 varieties. How to defend, how to thrust. I'm going to give you more techniques with the offhand, because offhand, which stays close to your weapon hand, is extremely important in knife fighting. Thank you very much, and see you in the next lesson.